Many people question the use of essential oils internally. Here's what you need to know. Most essential oils on the market are adulterated with chemicals or other fillers. Yes, do not use these internally or topically or aromatically because everything goes internally anyway, and they may be causing you more harm than good. And that is why I will only use doTERRA, because they have a supplement fact label, which ensures that they are safe for internal consumption. Just think about this. If you can eat basil leaves, black pepper, ginger root, why would you not safely be able to ingest the essential oil? Again, it goes back to purity and potency. That is what matters. Most of the time, you're only using 1 to 3 or more drops in a recipe, whether it's food or drink, and then you can see it's very diluted when it comes to what you're eating. If you're still not convinced, I just want you to think about this. Have you considered all the chemicals that are in soft drinks, sport drinks, processed foods, convenience foods that you may be ingesting? Those are where the real harm is. Don't be fooled. Using pure, tested, great essential oils in your foods and drinks actually have so many wonderful health benefits, and I'm going to share with you 10 amazing benefits here. 1, they accelerate metabolism, which improves not only digestion, but your energy, your mood, your emotions, your sleep, your exercise. All of those are improved with an accelerated metabolism. 2, they assist and soothe digestion. So much better to have those essential oils to assist and calm digestion. 3, they promote cleansing and detox, which is something that needs to happen every day, throughout the day. And that's why adding a few drops of essential oils to your water and drinks is really beneficial. 4, essential oils can help curb appetite, which can help you manage your weight much easier. 5, essential oils boost immunity because they provide many antioxidant properties. 6, essential oils alkalize, stimulate, and improve your gut health, which is something that is so important every day. 7, they support organ function and efficiency, which means your gut, your liver, your kidneys, your colon, and even your skin, they're all working together better. 8, essential oils provide antimicrobial properties, which alone help fight and strengthen your gut microbiome. 9, they are convenient and cost-effective. Most people don't even think of this, but this one bottle of lemon essential oil is equivalent to about 40 to 50 lemons. And I don't always have lemons in my refrigerator, but if I always have a bottle of lemon essential oil, it only takes 2 to 3 drops to equivalent 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm saving so much money, and it is so convenient to have my lemon essential oil and other essential oils the same. Number 10, essential oils add robust flavors to any dish, food, or drink. And that means the sooner you get started, the sooner you will be able to enjoy the benefits that I have mentioned. Grab your starter bundle below and get started. Then I'm going to send you a free ebook called Food Grade Essential Oils, which includes many of my favorite recipes that have essential oils to provide you the wonderful benefits that I have mentioned. Don't wait, do it now and start enjoying improved gut health and overall health today.